Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So, to get started, you want to open up your browser. So for me it's Chrome. And from here, you want to tap on the three dots and go into history, which I already am in. And once you see it, either you can remove the history individually. So by tapping on the X like so, you can see that it gets removed, or if you have way more of it, I guess it's simpler would be to press the clear browsing data right here. You get a couple options to clear. So you have browsing history, cookie, site data, cache images, saved password, and autofill form data. So if you just want to get rid of your history, the first three are good enough, and then you probably want to also change the time period from past hour to depending on how far back you want to go. And if you want to remove additional things like passwords and stuff like that, then you can check it on at your own leisure. It just basically forgets any password that you have used and logged into websites. And once you have selected everything that you want to change, all you need to do is just tap on clear browsing data or clear data, and you can see that it's now completely gone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.